Web applications or web apps are programs executed on a remote server and accessed via a web browser. They allow users to access information from databases, run computationally intensive programs, and even simplify complex workflows so they can be scaled and easily accessible to numerous users. With the introduction of PyAnsys technology, engineering simulation is made available in the Python ecosystem, and this marks an untapped market for web apps for modeling and simulation. In this Ansys Innovation course, we will introduce a web app and its architecture, build a simple web app using Python with the help of Flask web framework, and then demonstrate how to build web apps for modeling and simulation using PyMAPDL. This course is intended for anyone with basic familiarity of Python and engineering simulation, and no prior knowledge of developing web apps is needed. Upon completion, the user will successfully be able to build a functional web app that can be used to run a simple finite element simulation and access results via a web browser.